Welcome to Experimental Girl's cooking class starring yours truly, GA. Say hey.
Hey everyone.
Because it's NFL draft weekend, which explains Cowboys. Okay, this is the Pez dispenser, or as I like to call it, the Dez dispenser. And the back-to-back Super Bowl hat as well. It is draft day. You need a draft day weekend snack. And this is what we're going to be doing. Now, before we go any further, I just want to give a shout out to Lake City Scott. He said, hey, GA, what would top off this whole Experimental Girls cooking class video would be you wearing a chef's hat. Sorry, no disrespect to chefs coming from me. If I put that hat on, that would totally be disrespectful because I do not have the skills to even think about putting on a chef's hat.
However, you do have some skills lately. And around the kitchen, I mean, you're getting handy. What are the things you can do?
Well, let's see. I can grate cheese.
Oh, excellent. He can grate pounds of cheese.
I can shuck corn, baby.
Shuck corn?
Get
like
my shuck on, baby. Woo!
I know.
Also, I can stir the pot.
Stir the pot.
I can stir it.
You should see the look on his face while he's stirring it, like he made it.
I can stir that pot.
But today,
we are going to rock out with our guac out.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. Here we go.
Guacamole.
Yep. And we're going to start with?
Well, the pinch of salt. But remember.
No.
No?
We're going to start with avocados.
Oh, that's right.
The key ingredient, too.
Okay, yeah. Here's the bit. Okay?
Here's the bit.
I am not very good with knives. Okay? In fact,
don't let you use knives.
No.
So a lot of the cutting things are me.
Yes.
As you probably figured.
We're fessing up, okay? Because my carving skills are right up there with my breakdancing skills, okay? So everything that needed to be carved or sliced or diced has already been done by my instructor.
I did try to get you to cut an avocado.
No.
No.
Yeah,
no.
Here you go, the avocados.
Here we go.
You realize that
ripe avocados.
Yeah, you realize that the average American eats 7 pounds of these bad boys a year?
I believe it. I think you eat.
Hey, hold it now. Keep that down. All right, so now we've got all of this, all the ingredients. We've got the cilantro.
Wait. Okay, let's start with avocados.
Yeah.
Here we go. 3 avocados.
3 avocados.
We're going to put a pinch of salt.
Pinch. Just a pinch.
And your pinch is pretty big, so... Okay. And then we're going to take that lime.
Hey, wait a minute. Where's the Patron? Anytime I see lime, baby, there better be Patron!
Under lock and key right now.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Yeah, okay. So I'm squeezing the lime.
Squeeze some lime all over.
I know how to squeeze lime. Only
Get them all over there.
Yes.
Yeah. There you go. Okay. And take that masher. We're going to get those all mashed up.
Mashing it up, baby!
To your consistency of preference.
So what kind of consistency do we
like kind of like it chunky
yeah.
a little bit. Not too smooth.
Not too smooth, no.
Yeah. Oh, good job. See how, you do mashed potatoes.
I do mashed potatoes. Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay, that's looking pretty good to me.
Okay.
Okay, you can put that aside. Then you can.
Aside. Hey, hang on. Uncle Dan's fell down.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Good.
Here we go.
Now I do. What do I do now?
We have our sour cream, a cup of sour cream mixed with Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch.
Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch and sour cream are in this bowl.
Really, that in itself is a yummy dish.
Now remember, everybody makes ranch. Uncle Dan's just seems to do it a little better.
There you go.
A whole lot better. Okay, here we go.
Okay, put that into your mashed avocados.
Okay.
And then...
Would it be gauche of me to lick the spatula?
Not on. No. Shame. Shame.
So, no, now I do the spoon? Or am I doing these?
You better not use that spatula.
I'm not using this spatula.
Okay, grab the spoon, the
wooden
sanitize.
one. Yes.
And just give that a stir.
Okay, just to stir.
How's that looking?
Not
Mix. No, you want to get it all stirred in there.
Get it all mixed in.
Yeah, you don't want to see white and green. You want to see.
No, just green.
There you go. Okay.
Good.
I'd say give that a taste, but you'll probably lick the spoon. We can't have that.
No, I'm not gonna lick the spoon.
Okay, leave the spoon there. You're gonna need it. Okay.
Now.
It's perfect like that, actually.
Yeah, no, it's really good. It's really. In fact, I'm gonna show you.
What are you gonna show me?
I'm gonna show you how
Oh
good
yeah.
it is.
Oh yeah. That's
See?
really
That's
good
awesome.
looking. Yeah. And it
Awesome.
tastes really good.
Okay.
But we're gonna kick it up.
Spice it up a little bit. Draft day weekend. Jerry Jones is at home. He's making the call. That's spicy, but we're going to spice it up even more. After Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch, sour cream, lime, the salt. Now we're going onion, jalapeno.
We've got some finely
cilantro.
chopped fresh jalapeno.
So here we go. You ready?
Yeah, add it all.
Okay. There.
There you go.
Okay.
Stir it in.
Oh yeah, baby.
Okay.
Oh. This baby's going in the first round, guaranteed. Oh. Could be the #1 pick of the weekend right here.
Yeah.
And you can check out variations of this on Uncle Dan's website, uncledans.com. Oh, look at that.
Okay,
Look.
there's some chips for you in that baggie.
Okay. Just want you to see right
Oh,
there. Oh,
yum.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And now, chip, dip.
Here comes the real.
Mm.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone. Have a great day.